Right. So les cat saison. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So these are the four seasons. Okay. Four seasons. Okay. Can you see the four seasons on the slide?
Oui, madame.
Okay. So write this one in your notebook. Okay. This one, le printemps. First one is le
Le printemps.
printemps. Okay. Le printemps. Printemps. Amazing. So first
Ma'am, le printemps means, I think winter, right?
spring. Okay. Le printemps means spring.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, le pronto means?
Okay. Spring. Spring.
Ma'am, l'été means, I think winter.
Summer. L'été.
Summer. And ma'am,
Oh,
the last one is
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am,
Yeah.
I got full marks in my French test.
Oh wow. Amazing.
and me too.
Oh wow. Paki. Good job. Ariman. Very good.
ma'am, I only have done one mistake in vegetable.
Vegetable? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. All right. Very good, everyone. Good job. So we can, we can applause for ourselves. Okay. So let's clap. Very good for your good job. Very good. Very good. All right. So first one.
Ma'am, le autumn means, the autumn.
Yeah. So okay. Live there. Okay. So everyone
say
mute
something.
yourself. Okay. Everyone mute yourself. Let me speak. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Very good. So first one is le printemps. Okay. Le printemps. Le printemps. Okay. Le printemps. So repeat after me. Le printemps. Okay. Ariman, repeat after me. Le printemps. Le printemps.
La Honto.
Very good. Okay. Anya. Anya. Okay. Anya. Yeah. Le printemps. Okay.
La Panta.
Printemps. Very good. Okay. Paki, read this.
Ma'am, the second or the first?
First one.
Le pronto.
Okay. Printemps. Very good.
Ma'am, can I see Ranveer?
Okay. Ranveer, read this.
Le Honto.
Printemps. Very good. Okay. Ishal, read this.
Le Pronto.
Printemps. Very good. Okay. Adya, read this. Le printemps.
Le Ponto.
Very good. Yeah. Okay. Who is left? Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah. Okay. Read it.
Le pronto.
Le printemps. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I am left, Araina.
Okay. Araina, read this.
Ma'am, le printemps.
Okay. Very good. So.
Ma'am,
who is
how do
logged
we
in?
say autumn?
Okay. Who is logged in with Rekha? Is it? Who is he?
Oh, excuse me, ma'am. Actually, that's my mom's room. Actually,
Okay.
she uses Zoom. Let me change. Just let me change my.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
And ma'am, I was actually, ma'am, I was actually absent from the last two classes.
Oh. Okay.
So I,
Okay. It's all
so ma'am, I
right.
didn't know what we.
Yeah. I know all of you were enjoying your vacation, right? You were out. So yes, it's okay.
Yes, I enjoyed my vacation with my
Many of you were out. Okay, it's all right. We should enjoy. Okay, yes, Paki.
To Daddy.
To say something, ma'am, not this week. Ma'am, last week, when Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were just 3 days left for school. Ma'am, so that week, Monday to Friday, I went on the trip with my family and my friends, ma'am, to Kasoli, and we stayed there for 5 days. And on Monday, there was snowfall.
Oh, wow. So you enjoyed the snowfall? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. We were making snowmans.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. Great. So, okay, all right. So now we will study the season, okay? So you know how to say winter in French? Winter.
Yes.
Okay, so
Le
winter
hiver.
Live.
Le
Ma'am, I
hiver.
think live. Live where? Live where?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, live
can you
where?
repeat winter? Ma'am, can you repeat
Ma'am,
winter?
live where?
everyone on
Live.
mute. Everyone on mute, okay? So liver, okay? The
Le
last one is
hiver.
liver, okay? Liver. So this is liver, okay? Liver. We are not going to say le heaver. No, that will be wrong. Le heaver, okay? That will be wrong. How to say liver, okay? Liver, liver, okay? Repeat after me 5 times. Liver,
Liver.
liver,
Liver.
Live where?
Liver. Liver.
Where?
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am, how do we say autumn?
okay, I'm telling you, okay? And the second one is lete, which means summer, okay?
Latte.
Lete, okay? Lete. So repeat after me. Lete, 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 okay? Lete as in summer, okay? So first one is le printemps, okay? Le printemps. Second one is printemps, okay? Second one is l'été, okay?
Latte.
Very good, very good. And third one is l'automne, okay? L'automne,
Laton.
l'automne,
Laton.
yeah. So
Ma'am, it is Laton. Laton.
okay, so this is l'automne. If I remove N, so this will be left with l'automne. Okay, you have to say
L'automne.
l'automne. Okay,
Ma'am, it's Latom
Okay,
or
ma'am.
Laton?
l'automne. Okay, l'automne.
Ma'am, do we have to write? Ma'am, do we have to write the month also, which is written there? March, April, May.
Yeah, definitely. We have done the months
Okay,
also.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so आपको whatever you can see on the screen आपको write करना है, ठीक है? You have to write in your notebook. Whatever you see on the screen, write it in your notebook.
Can you give 2 minutes to write?
Yeah. I'm giving you 5 minutes. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay? Everyone.
Ma'am, I'm somewhere out, so can I take a screenshot?
Yeah, you can. Definitely you can take a
Ma'am, in the picture that is shown on the left side, ma'am, in that in summer they miss out the L.
L. Yeah, yeah,
Ma'am, it's written ete.
yeah. So no, it's not.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, it's not a mistake. If we remove the N, it is ete. So ete means the winter,
Yeah,
the
very
summer.
good. Very good. So you know what? Okay, hold on. Let me clear this also. Okay. So first write whatever is written on the screen. Write it in your notebook. Okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes or maybe more than 5 minutes. Okay. Don't worry about the time. Take your time. Okay. Write beautifully in your notebook.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, ete means summer and lete means the summer.
Yeah. Very good, Adya. You know the answer. Very good. So
Yeah,
ete
ma'am.
means summer and lete means the summer. So it's written with article. Okay. Article. Right.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is
Ma'am, I have written.
Oh, very good.
Ma'am, I have written in the month also.
Very good. And wait for other students. Okay, Arina. Wait for other students also. Very good. Very good. Thank you, Arina. Okay.
Dang it.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so Arshveen, have you written in your notebook?
पता नहीं वरुण बिल्कुल ही बंद हो जाता है एक भी डंडी नहीं रहती पता है आपको
Your internet connection is on.
Oh, it's okay. Okay, so Ashwin, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think you're walking.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, phone. I couldn't see your screen because I'm phone today.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the next slide, there are
Next
sentences also in spring. It is pleasant. And it is also written in French.
Very good.
अभी तो
Okay.
नहीं लिखा
Okay, Ranbir,
फिर
are
वाली
you writing
practical
it? Ranbir, Adya Chaturvedi. Very good. Write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
in your notebook. Very good. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Okay. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have
Ma'am,
already
I'm showing you my notes.
okay, if you have already written in your notebook, so you can learn the spelling. Okay. Learn the spelling.
Ma'am, I'm somewhere out that. Ma'am, Adya Chaturvedi. I'm Adya Chaturvedi. Ma'am, I'm somewhere out. So I have taken the screenshot.
Okay. So you can write it later. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
wanted to show you.
Okay. Paki. Oh, wow. Very good. Very good, Paki. Good job.
Ma'am, can I show you Arayana?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, wow. Very good, Arana. Very good. Perfect.
Let's see, madam.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. All right. So you can learn the spelling. Okay. Le Phonto. If you have written, you can learn the spelling. Le Phonto. So Phonto is, it's very interesting. Yeah. Phonto. It's a long word, but you know, it's easy. Phonto. 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 Right? Phonto. Le Phonto. Lete. Okay. So if you have written, you can show me. Okay, Ridan, are you writing? Anya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm writing.
Writing. Okay. And what about you, Ridan? Are you writing?
Ma'am, the third one is autumn.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how to pronounce it? I can.
Loton. Okay, Loton.
Luton.
Yeah, Loton. So, Loton. Okay. All of you, just let me know if you have done.
Ma'am, Mahan, I joined late for poor connectivity.
Oh, it's all right. Okay, so you know what we are doing? We are learning the seasons in French. Okay, so you can just write this slide in your notebook. Do you have notebook with you, Ahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can write the 4 seasons in your notebook. Okay, Le Printemps. Okay, these are the 4 seasons. Le Printemps. Can you see the screen?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have highlighted the seasons.
Very good. Okay, so l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Okay, write these 4 seasons in your notebook. Okay, Ahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And also everyone, okay, I want all of you to write this heading also, okay? Les 4 saisons, okay? This is the heading, okay? If you have not yet written, I want all of you to write the heading also. Okay, very good. Aki, very good.
Ma'am, Mahan, can you repeat winter?
Yeah, so winter is l'hiver, okay? L'hiver. Live.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm Adya speaking. Can you see my work?
Yeah, very good, Adya. Good job. Very good. So, you know,
Thank you,
just
ma'am.
check the spelling also because I cannot see your work. So, you have to be your own teacher. Okay.
Ma'am,
French teacher. Wow. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to show my work.
Okay. Show me. Very good, Ashwin. Okay. Show me. Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, the camera is not.
I can see now.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you speak the season names again because I joined very late?
Okay, I'll repeat it. Okay, so first one is Le Ponton. Le Ponton. Okay, Le Ponton. Second one is L'été. Third one is L'automne. Fourth one is l'hiver. Okay, we will practice it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Okay,
first
ma'am.
one is
Thank you,
Le
ma'am.
Ponton. Practice it. Le Ponton. Okay, Adya, read it. Le Ponton.
La Fonta.
Okay. Second one. Okay.
Lete.
Okay. Third one.
Le atom.
Okay. Fourth one.
Le Atom.
Le river.
And ma'am, I can't hear you. There's some poor connectivity.
Okay. So Loton. Okay. Third one is Loton. Okay. Loton. Yeah.
Le atom.
Okay, ma'am.
Loton. Amazing. Okay. Fourth one is l'hiver.
Live.
L'hiver. Fourth one is l'hiver. Okay. Adya.
Live.
Yeah. Read the 4 seasons.
Okay.
Yeah. Adya. Okay. Adya Tukral. I'm calling Adya Tukral. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Le Printemps.
Hmm.
Lete.
Hmm.
L'automne. L'hiver.
Very good, Adya. And this is Le Ponton. Okay? Ponton. Ponton.
Ma'am, please can I see all the
Very
seasons
good.
again?
Yeah. Le Ponton. Okay?
Ma'am, we can say all the seasons again on the same please.
Okay. Le Ponton, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Le honton, le été,
Okay. L'automne, l'hiver. Okay. Arshveen? Arshveen,
Yes.
read the 4 seasons. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Read the 4 seasons. Very good.
Le printemps.
Ponton.
Le printemps. L'été. L'automne.
Okay.
L'hiver.
Liver. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now I will call. Yeah. Anvika.
ma'am, I have put the background of the season. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see.
Ma'am, I have put the background of the season.
Preponto.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Ponton. Yeah.
I'm Anvika Dua.
Autumn.
Okay.
Hill.
Liver. Okay. Liver. Ariman. Yeah. Very, yeah. Very good, Ariman. Good job. Okay. All
How
right.
can I read it?
Yeah. Okay.
My camera on.
Anvika, continue.
Le ponto, l'été, le. Ma'am, what do we say autumn?
L'automne. Okay. So this is l'automne.
L'automne,
L'automne.
l'automne, le hiver.
Okay. Liver. Okay. Le hiver. No. Liver. एक ही word है.
Liver.
Liver. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm Atya speaking.
Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, there are no mistakes. You told me to check the mistakes. There are no mistakes.
Oh, wow. Very good. Okay. Anya, read this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After Anya.
Le printemps, le est, automne, livre.
Okay. So, Anya, this is l'été. Okay. L'été.
Okay, ma'am.
L'été. Repeat after me. L'été.
Latte.
Okay.
L'été.
Third one is l'automne. Okay. Loton. Yeah. And fourth one is liver.
Livre.
Not livre, liver.
Liver.
Yeah. This is liver. Okay. Liver.
Liver.
Yeah.
Liver.
Yeah. Very.
Ma'am, can I repeat and be
Yeah, Ranveer, continue.
Le honton, le ete, le atom, le hiv.
Okay, so Ranveer, this is liver. ठीक है? Liver.
Liver.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. I just wanted to say that, ma'am, when our test will start, so our teacher will start with hobbies.
Hobbies?
So
Okay.
I want to learn hobbies.
Hobbies also? Okay. I will plan. Okay. All right.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Patty, ma'am, can I now read the seasons?
Yeah, continue.
Le printemps,
Not
l'été,
printemps. No. This is le printemps. Okay. Oh,
le printemps,
yeah.
l'été, l'automne,
Hmm.
livre,
No, this is liver. Okay. Liver.
ver,
Yes, liver. ठीक है. And this is l'automne. Okay. M नहीं है ये. ठीक है. Although you see M, but when we are going to pronounce it, so we are going to say l'automne. Okay. L'automne.
l'automne,
Okay. L'automne. Not ma नहीं है वो. ठीक है. This is l'automne. Okay. L'automne. N. Okay. Not ma, but the ending is with na. Okay, you got it? L'automne. Okay, Kayan, you want to read? Kayan?
Ma'am, actually I'm doing and I was absent the last class, so I don't know how to pronounce actually.
Okay, it's all right. So this is le printemps. Le printemps. Okay, printemps. Very good. Le printemps. Okay, repeat.
Le honton.
Very good. Printemps. Second one is l'été.
Okay. L'été.
Okay, third one.
Autumn.
Yeah, l'automne. Okay, fourth one.
Hiver.
I know. You can speak. You know how to pronounce it. You know. आपको L दिख रहा है? L. Huh? L. Can you see L? Liver. Okay. So this is liver. Okay. Le printemps. अगर किसी को लगता है कि आपको नहीं आता, ठीक है, आपने लास्ट क्लास मिस किया था, इट्स ऑल राइट. आपको आज क्लास में हो एंड यू नो टुडे यू कैन लर्न. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वन इज le printemps. Okay. Le printemps. Second one is l'été. L'été. Okay. L'été. Third one
L'été.
is l'automne. Okay. L'automne. And fourth one is l'hiver. Okay.
Liver.
L'hiver. So practice with me. Okay. Le printemps. Repeat after me 5 times. Le printemps. Le printemps. Le
Le
printemps.
honton.
Le
Le
printemps.
honton.
Le printemps.
Le honton.
Okay. Second one is l'été. L'été.
L'été.
L'été. L'été. L'été. L'été. Okay.
L'été.
Third one is l'automne. Repeat after me. L'automne.
L'automne.
L'automne. L'automne. L'automne.
L'automne.
L'automne.
L'automne.
Okay. Last one is l'hiver. L'hiver.
L'hiver.
L'hiver.
L'hiver.
5 times. L'hiver.
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 Okay. Very good. Okay. All right. So now you have written the 4 seasons. Okay. Le printemps, l'été, l'automne, l'hiver. ठीक है? Okay. Now I'm sharing another screen. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me share another screen. Woohoo. Mhm.
मुझे देते हैं। मुझे आ रहा है कहाँ जब यार एक कॉल जो उसको है और दीदी वो
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Ma'am, I have not shared your screen actually.
Okay. Now, just tell me, can you see?
Ma'am, your face is shivering.
Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
Madam.
Just tell me if it is audible. Audible?
Oui, madam.
Oh, that's amazing. You know, this song is about weather. ठीक है, अभी हम सीजन पढ़ रहे हैं ना, सीजन वेदर. ठीक है, ओके. सो सबको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है, केल तो फेचीन दिख रहा है सबको. जस्ट रीड इट. अब आपको अपनी नोटबुक में कुछ नहीं लिखना, ठीक है? Just
Excuse me,
listen
ma'am.
it. Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm Adya speaking. I already know the weather.
Weather, very good, very good. So आपको अभी सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे देखना है, ठीक है? सब बच्चे स्क्रीन के ऊपर देखेंगे. Okay. So what is written here? Okay.
Ma'am, Kel Tom Fatil.
Yeah. So this is Kel
Ma'am,
Tom.
Tom Fetil.
Yeah. Kel Tom Fetti. Okay. Okay.
Kel Tom
Everyone read this
Fatil.
line.
Stop Fatil.
Wow. Everyone
Kel
this
Tom
line.
Fatil.
Kel Tom Fetti.
Fetil.
Everyone.
Fetil.
Yes. Okay. So Kel Tom Fetil. Do you know the meaning of this line? Yeah. So if you want to know weather in French, so this is the line you are going to use. Okay. So if you wow, that's amazing. So Araina, can you ask Arshveer? Yeah, just ask Arshveer. Quel temps fait-il? Let's see what he replies. Okay. Okay, Arshveer. Okay, Arshveer, do you know the answer? If Araina says, okay, do you know the meaning of this line? Quel temps fait-il?
Yes, ma'am. How is the weather?
Yeah, quel temps fait-il means how is the weather? Okay. Okay. Now I will call. Hold on. Okay, Adya Chaturvedi and Anvika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anvika, ask the question.
Kel Topati.
Betty?
Ma'am,
Kel Tom
ma'am,
Fatil.
I was not here right now.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was going to do some work.
Okay, so आपको आद्या read करना है ये line, ठीक है? Can you read the line? What you see on the screen? Okay, no? Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, it's all right then. Okay, Anya? Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you read the line?
Yes, ma'am. Quel temps fait-il?
Okay, very good. So if, okay, Paki, do you know the answer of this line? Quel temps fait-il?
Ma'am, I know the answer of this question. Can I tell?
Okay, hold on. Paki, do you know? Okay. Okay, Anvika.
Ma'am, the question is saying what is the weather?
Yeah. Yeah. How is the weather today? Okay. Okay, Anvika, your answer. Tell me.
Ma'am, Sir S. Levy.
Oh, sorry.
Sir S. Levy.
Lever? No. Lever? What is lever?
Ma'am, it is winter.
So say liver. Okay.
Liver.
Liver. It's
Sir S. Liver.
liver. Okay. Sir S. Okay. Say Sir S. You know, you should not say this way. Sir S. Okay. Okay. I will tell you how to say this. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell Adya?
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, ma'am, I don't know how to say the
It's okay. All right. So we are
Right.
learning. Okay. Just ignore it. Okay. So this is the question. Okay. So now you know how to say if you want to know weather. Okay. So quel temps fait-il? Okay. So listen it.
Keltofatil, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I'll play this one more time. Okay, from the starting. Okay. So kel to fechil ojudvi. Ojudvi सबको पता है. What is the meaning of ojudvi?
What is the weather today?
Oshwadvi.
Ojudvi.
Keltofatil, ma'am.
Ojudvi.
Today. Keltofatil, ma'am.
Yeah. Kel to fechil ojudvi. So what is the meaning of ojudvi?
Keltofatil ojudvi.
Ma'am, today. Ma'am, today.
Yeah. So
Today.
ojudvi means today. Okay. So now I'm sharing another screen with all of you. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So if someone says to you, Kel to fechil ojudvi. So you know how you can say. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, how is the weather today? They are not talking about season. They are talking about weather. ठीक है? तो weather में हम क्या reply करते हैं? कि आज sunny day है, right? Yeah, आज pleasant.
Ma'am, can we write?
Yeah, write this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
2
So
minutes.
आपको क्या लिखना है? Okay, आपको लिखना है ilfebo. ठीक है? क्या लिखना है आपको? ilfebo. सिर्फ यही वर्ड लिखना है आपको.
Ilfebo.
Bo. Bo.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, Ilfebo.
And
why? Ilflu means it is raining.
Yeah. Ilpl. ठीक है? Ilpl. Not flu.
Ma'am, we have to write or pitha Ilfebo, right?
आप लिख भी सकते हो. पूरी लाइन लिख लो आप. ठीक है? O.
Okay, ma'am.
तो ilfebo.
Ma'am, I have a question. What is the meaning of ilfebu?
ilfebo. अभी आप इसको लिख लो आप पहले. ठीक है? O. फोंतो ilfebo. ठीक है? पहले आप सब ये लाइन लिख लो. O. फोंतो ilfebo. कितना इजी है ये. फोंतो सबने लर्न कर लिया था अभी, है ना? फोंतो.
Yes, ma'am.
So O. फोंतो ilfebo. Write this in your notebook. Okay? O. फोंतो ilfebo. O. फोंतो ilfebo. O.
Ma'am, or pitha Ilfebo.
Not praton. Praton तो मैंने नहीं बताया आपको. Phon. Phon. Phon.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yeah. Il. Yeah.
Ma'am, written.
Ilfebo. ठीक है?
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, written. Ilfebo.
Bo. वो ऐसे हम बो बनाते हैं ना. यहाँ पे भी बो, कहीं पे भी बो बना सकते हैं. BO. रेन.
Or pitha Ilfebo.
बो. रेनबो. बो. ठीक है? सो वही सेम है. बो. ठीक है? बो जैसे हम उसको बोलते हैं, इसको भी वैसे ही बो. ठीक है?
Ma'am, can you go to the next slide?
ओके, होल्ड ऑन. सबने लिख लिया? एवरीवन?
We, madam.
ओके, अर्शवीर, कयान, रणवीर, सबने लिख लिया? अनविका?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. सो दिस इज वेरी गुड. ओ फोंतो इल्फेबो. ठीक है? तो इसका मीनिंग अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं हम पहले. मीनिंग बताऊं आपको सबको पहले? ठीक है. सो मीनिंग इज ilfebo. Ilfebo means it is pleasant. Okay? Ilfebo means it is pleasant. Okay? O phonto. So o का मतलब क्या है? In. AU का
In.
मतलब है in. Phonto means spring. Okay?
Spring.
Spring. It is pleasant. है ना? यही होता है ना? Pleasant होता है ना? ऑफ
Oui, madame.
इल्फेबो। ठीक है, तो सब राइट करेंगे इन योर नोटबुक। ओके, ऑफ हॉन्तो
Ma'am, written.
written, very good. So of honto ilfebo means in spring it is pleasant.
Ma'am, written.
Okay, very good, very good. Of honto ilfebo, ठीक है। ओके, सबने लिख लिया? अनविका, रिदान,
Oui,
आर्यमन।
madame.
ओके, आर्यमन आपने लिखा?